Hi, my name is Katie Lloyd. I'm a Brandt product manager for Ziegler Ag, and today I'm going to go over a 1300 HP vac. This vac has a capacity of 8,500 bushels per hour and only requires 120 horsepower. It has a 13-inch supercharged auger and has 5/16 chrome flighting instead of our competitor's 4th-inch chrome flighting. Instead of a two-fan design, Brandt uses a cone separator with no moving parts. It directs airflow over the cone and back into the fan while gently moving grain. Brandt's air throttle eliminates power surges, reduces driveline stress, and lowers fuel costs. Brandt also uses their sync drive belt that completely eliminates slippage, allowing the vac to perform at max capacity. Brandt's vacs are user-friendly. They have quick adjustment hoses, as well as the max flow technology. So when the bin is full and you're using 3.5 feet of hose, you'll want to slide this up. If it's all the hoses, you'll keep it down to ensure max airflow. Brandt self-contained hose tree has 45 feet of hose with no tie downs or ratchets required. Brandt vacs have many options. For example, the exhaust dust hose kit, outrigger arm, bin snake, floor sweep, and cleanup shovel. This vac is equipped with the soybean kit, which is more gentle on soybeans than the cone separator. Brandt grain vacs are perfect for customers who are sick of cleaning out bins and are looking for a reliable, low-maintenance product. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact your local Ziegler Ag location.